WeatherTech floor liners offer the most advanced vehicle floor protection available today. Laser measured for a perfect fit and made from a patented tri-extruded composite, our floor liners offer protection in the front, back, and even up the sides. Advanced surfacing creates channels that carry dirt and debris to the lower reservoir with channeling to further minimize fluid movement while driving. WeatherTech floor liners are easy to install. Just slip the liner in place underneath the pedals. Always make sure the floor liner does not interfere with the full operation of the pedals as indicated in the detailed instructions supplied. Then, secure with your vehicle's retention device or WeatherTech supplemental devices where applicable. WeatherTech floor liners are available in black, gray, cocoa, and tan. Protect the value of your vehicle with WeatherTech floor liners.